Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works. This video is a follow-on from our 5 easy CAD projects video. This is the tutorial for the simple wall hook. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Go to your Onshape, hit create, document. Let's call it simple wall hook. Step 1, hit your sketch command. Let's go ahead and select that front plane, orient it up here, and we're just going to draw an L. We're going to use our line command, left click there, snap down to the center, make sure it's vertical, drag it over. We'll worry about the actual dimensions at the end. And I'm just kind of roughly drawing in. You see I hover over there and it lets me snap out so those lines are collinear. So then we're going to hit the D command to dimension this thing. Let's make that 2.5 tall, 1.5 in that direction. Let's make it 3/16 thick. Three-eighths tall. There we go. Finish that sketch, hit extrude, select sketch number 1. We will make that 3/4 of an inch as an extrude. And we're going to go ahead and add our holes to this. Hit sketch again, select that surface there. You can orient it to the right. Hit your circle command. And you see I can snap to that midpoint. Just hover over it and drag down. Create a circle, do the same thing. I'm going to hit the letter E to make these equal as a constraint. Hit D for dimension. Let's dimension from the top. Let's do 0.25. Let's make these holes let's do 0.19. Distance apart. Let's do 1.5. Okay, there we go. Hit extrude. Select sketch number 2. This time again, hit remove. Pushes those holes right through there. We're going to do up to next. Then we're going to go to your chamfer command. You don't have to do this. Makes it a little easier or a little nicer when you do like a countersunk screw. Okay, 1/16 of an inch. That should be plenty good. Let's go ahead and add some radii in here, or a fillet to reduce the stress concentrations. Select there. Let's make that one 0.25. Let's do another fillet over here. Let's make that 1/16. And we'll do the same there. Okay, there it is. A very simple wall hook. You can model yourself, customize however you want in a very short period of time and 3D print it. Again, if you like this content, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other projects you'd like to see next.